Introduce of cylinders management. Why do LPG cylinders need to be managed? From the perspective of gas supply companies. 1. The gas cylinder is lost and the location of the cylinder is unknown. Need to buy more new gas cylinders. 2. Don't know the turnover rate of gas cylinders. 3. The cylinder qualification test was not carried out before filling, which posed a huge safety hazard. 4. Manual record of gas cylinders in and out of the warehouse is error-prone and inefficient. 5. As for gas cylinder maintenance, third-party agencies only have manual records and no electronic data. They are error-prone and difficult to query. They cannot respond quickly to inspections by government agencies, etc. 6. During the gas cylinder delivery process, the sending and receiving data of gas cylinders are recorded manually, which will cause disputes and can easily lead to the loss of gas cylinders, according to market data. Gas cylinder loss is about 20% every year. 7. Gas supply companies do not know their end users. Their promotional policies cannot reach the end users, and market expansion is limited. From the perspective of end users. 1. End users cannot judge the legality of the gas cylinder from its appearance. 2. Customers cannot enjoy discounts and prefer to choose gas at low prices. Customer loyalty is low, viscosity is low, and customers are easily lost. From the perspective of social, improper management of LPG cylinders may cause explosion hazards and endanger people's lives and property safety. How to easily and efficiently manage liquefied gas cylinders. Even cylinder explode. Metal ceramic tag with no diamond GE. Scan to read. To trace the history, permanent barcode tag is the most effective solution. Maintenance for gas cylinders: incineration, shot blasting, drying. Install QR code tags. New cylinder with barcode tags. Digital information. Install barcode at cylinder manufacturer. Gas cylinder information, registration and management. 1. Register. Manually recording the daily sending and receiving data of gas cylinders. Inefficient. Takes time. Error-prone. Easily lost. Paper records are damaged and records are lost. Panoramic expansion of the shield obtained by automatic scanning. The photo is very clear and complete. Using AL technology to automatically register digital documents for cylinders. You can also use the traditional registration method. 2. Scan. Centralized cylinder tracking system. 3. Scan the tag before LPG refilling. Automatic inspection machine. Automatic removal the unqualified cylinders. Automatic reader. Pick up the cylinders. 1. More than 5 years no maintenance. 2. Lifetime greater than 12 years. Handheld PDA scanner scan. Wired scanner to scan. Manual to see with naked eyes. It is time-consuming, laborious, not acute to judge cylinders' illegality, not easy to record. Through automatic scanning and handheld scan, it will upload the core absentee data and automatically record it. Judge cylinder's legality in a second. Two main functions of scanning. 1. To know whether the cylinder needs to do maintenance, and whether it has reached the age of scrap. 2. Clearly know the time of the cylinder return to the station, and the turnover period of a cylinder from last return to this return. 4. End-user scan identify authenticity. End-user scan barcode tag. It will automatically show a result of gas cylinder Z status, red code, yellow code or green code. Gas cylinder traceability management platform. Gas cylinder quality and safety traceability system. Monitoring platform of LPG cylinders tracking and management. Establish a unified dispatching management platform for the supervision department to manage the filling stations, stores, gas users, cylinder circulation, inventory and distribution, including map display, large data analysis, abnormal early warning. Web platform map show. Map display realizes strict control of people, cars and bottles in the deployment process through the mobile phone app positioning function. The real-time trajectory positioning of vehicles, people, distributors and customers and bottles is realized and displayed by a map.